Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if today's your first time of stopping by, then you're welcome. So in today's video we're going to be making a 5x5 lace closure wig using 26 inches 4 bundles, that's 400 grams, and 24 inches 5x5 lace closure. So if you're interested, continue to watch. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Okay guys, so before we get started, I need you guys to know that this video is going to be in 3 parts. The first part is going to be how to bleach your knot, how to tint your lace, while the second part is going to be how to transfer your head measurements onto your canvas head and how to adjust your cap if it's a big size, and the third part is going to be how to construct the wig on a sewing machine and how to do light plucking. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to bleach your knot, and to bleach your knot you need BW2 powder, 40 volume developer, and your hand gloves, mixing bowl, and just to let you know, this bleach powder is very dusty, so if you're a beginner you might want to use your marks. So I took almost full scoop of bleach powder and peroxide and I'm mixing. And when you're mixing, you want to make sure you go little by little. Don't just pour all your peroxide at once, otherwise you're just going to be adding bleach powder and it's going to be a waste because you don't need that much. So the consistency we're looking for is that of a toothpaste, thick toothpaste, not the thin ones, because you don't want it to be thin and you don't want it to be too thick as well. If it's too thin, it's going to run through the closure and bleach the hair, and if it's too thick, then it's not going to do anything. So you have to make sure you get the right consistency. So to apply, you want to spread it like you're spreading butter, like Christabel will say. So you're just gonna start spreading. Don't apply pressure, okay? Just be gentle, and if you accidentally get the bleach on the hair, wipe it off immediately. If it's heavy, make sure you wipe it with clothes, a wet towel, okay? So, and if you miss any spots, just go back in with your bleach and apply it. And once you're done, you're going to cover it with your foil paper and set your timer for 20 minutes first. So I like to do that when I don't know the hair I'm working with. My client actually provided this hair, so I don't know how fast or how slow it's gonna bleach. So different hair takes bleach differently. So I set 20 minutes first. I checked it wasn't done. I went back in with another 20 minutes, and at that time all the knots are bleached. And the way that you know that everything is ready is once the knots are not black anymore. Once they are bleached, then you know you're done. You can see I have some brassiness, and to take away the brassiness, I'm going to go in with my purple shampoo, rub the purple shampoo all over, and I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I went ahead to wash it out, and you guys will see the difference, and you see how it's looking neutral. No more brassiness. All the brassiness is gone with the help of the purple shampoo. Is to tint the lace. You will see that in a bit. As you guys can see, it's now looking neutral. All the brassiness is gone. So to tint the lace, I'm going to be using Adore Honey Brown 48 and Adore 106 Mahogany, and my client is medium brown, so I went ahead to use 5 ml of each of the dye, and I'm going to be adding 240 ml of hot water and also salt. So the salt is just going to help the dye to absorb into the lace very well. So you always want to add salt. You can see how things are looking now, and you see how it's going to be looking just in a bit. So I left that there for good 4 minutes. Yes, so if you want it more darker, you can leave it for longer time. Okay, so, and yes, my client is darker than me though, so it's not my color. She's not my color. So I'm just showing you how it's looking on my skin. So, and I went ahead to wash it with Tresemme shampoo, and I'm going to deep condition it. And if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to wash and deep condition your hair, your wig, I do have a full tutorial on that. You can check the description bar below. And yes, thank you so much for joining me on this one, and I will see you in part 2 of this video. That's, we're going to transfer the head measurements and prep our cap. Bye guys.